it was a part of the topics I been discussing. Of course, any pambienu no penny for me no and no when ya sem court. It immediate and can susu be anywhere family home. But yet here for any asha for no na omu busa say na orobu kene Japan ene anas aremia anas asem na e call court no ekosi sei enkofo bebre send the message bara me so okay fine, let me also try and then inform the public. Say me bacho me a trained journalist, me a classmate, apart from some work course mates, me were classmates also. Enti what person who say me a trained journalist a branch war multimedia Natal Nato. So I suppose I was I MC me wa where me meet. I'm a classmate. Mean the course, mean the call face the same Halifax and Sado. Yeah, oh, so okay, FM. And as in it, okay, or program ho. And now was publishing newspaper. I think they got new publisher also. Or also say journalist. Or not say me classmate. Kofi Agyapong of YE. Or also a journalist. Or not say me classmate. Aisha Ibrahim, Aisha no multimedia and say was free. Aisha Ibrahim also honestly me classmate. Etia Dawson, you know AUCC. It's me a trained journalist. It's me Jumane say I will inform, entertain, and educate. Me yes a journey there. Asem bie ni ho no ma. Ye de taboa to me so say asem we de ba God men ka bi. E obi ampo so ntimi nkasa. Obian ntimi nkasa say obi asem ba men ka bi en de aminim akukuduro boni a obenya be kan sa asem na kire me na yakukuduro boni enti obi abusa nipa bebre busa say asem no kosi sei makenkan bi ena me so asem no me di nchechemu e bae. In fact no kre na me kan no kre ena me kan ese tro need ye yes wo court a report fact no wo commentary bi a commentary no waka later. Eti obi a meme a trained journalist. When I speak to fact. A court case, eti mo court document. Akalan patro ya kra me call now the atoso amama hwade. Say honorable kene Japan ene anas asem na now ye ka ho asem no. Say motis obi ka ho asem. Ya mumu se nipa kro ne say document e wo ho e wo hefa. Asam ne saying anas say honorable kene Japan akasa ewo radio station bi so ewo America na wakasa aye no wagu no hu fi enti wode ne court asi no for defamation. Asam no ye kan ye eche ode court ache more than 2 years afenda asam ye die omo call no jury trial no enye bench trial. Jury trial ni say a civil case. Jury trial asem ni say asem na ba ni ya frame penifo lawyer for crop we lawyer ni bias wo nka ho civil servants ni ade teacher ni carpenter ni we dey bia etimi frame say asem ye de atomanim etimo mo nhwe evidence na ewo mu nyina na mu atan wo ho mu bu atan ni wi a mo famra judge anim na judge no anyintum ti judge no gitum no register say pa na mo just say mo verdict no about the final verdict. Asem no call ye jury trial but you didn't you jury trial jury ni tena asem so gi wo bia document bia bo ni nkro no jury ni say asem wo no bu kere Japan e ka fa anas arem ya anas ho no wanka ni yi enti etisade ya ombebo onobo kene Japan ka sa no mo kan e ka no ombebo de ka senya omo so mo bo de ka $18 million enye one amount chechemu miensa nyeme na mbe chechemu baako ye 5 baako ye 5 baako so 8 enti eye miensa $18 million. Eti jury no e de omasam na abatu dwa e ma judge e na wo kwa so wagi tum anase wonyi ntum. Omoka 18 million no e na honorable Kennedy Agyapong lawyer for say 18 million no e do so dodo. Na law of defamation e wa America de sa 18 million no jury omuni kwan so mutimi de sa 5 million 8 million no e so dodo. Eti me fa de say technically they appealed against the fine. But they did not appeal against their ruling. Say, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong edi for no. They appealed against the fine. They said it was too exorbitant. Esododo. Eti enye sa asem na yebu ogulu so no. Omo say they disagree. Rather they think say sika no sododo. Na sika na jury na kano. A bro jury no omo mandate. Enti broni Friday bi remite. Yes ayi UK for kan remite na America for kan remitted. REMITTUTR. Ena omo tro omo si da bi ade no sododo. Ena no bukere Japan lawyer for. Etna se tro krata reasons, legal reasons why ya eni se wotimi tua sa 18 million ne so dodo. Eti judge no enye jury ni biemo judge no enhwe asem no sikatua no na wonte so wonte sika no so o enka se woni fo biemo e fon de itimi se wagye atum na mom no fine no wo se yente so ma no Bible sumini enra chi ena judge no edi ni ruling ba ye say wa hwe bibia na sika no sododo emremu tia sika no sododo enti no anas sika na wo pen wonya wodibim na so wonya say sika no enti Honorable Kennedy Agyapong entua $500 efama anas aremiyaw anas enketu akotwene de atwene me asem wei common sense be kire we say de tie ne say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong asem no odifo na emom no sika anas e de court say yagu no hu fin etiye damage ike fantwa Honorable Kennedy Agyapong no say sika no na wanya etu court krata mu a Honorable Kennedy Agyapong odifo. But ene Ocean newspaper back I think Daily Gist front page say na $18 million bi any holo ma court to be etwa ma Honorable Kennedy Agyapong so wontua na ensentro fo aye kasa asem ye boa enya dokore metwe ho amenti ase. I don't get it. Me enya me deso obi na of course na this candidate come na asa me ka menya bi. But I'm stating the facts, and the facts must be stated. Obintimi ntufutro nwu obi ani. Asema esi court. Why do you want to just say nwanwa ene enkofo bintimi chamada paramiso nya hwe. Facts will always prevail. Akala mpacho court no ruling na court in the bar enrachi fatu screen no so me send the mamo. Unfortunately say bupa munko YouTube or the better so na me read magana fo nyina enti say asema judge no waka no court no was say minim say akala what that I don't go share so that to so that men kind straight away na peska me monitor free as okay eti wo hwe ha say ya Judge Nidin Honorable Jeffrey B. Beechem. Krata no watro was filed 2:16 p.m. May 12, 2025. Hook up at your YouTube all man, but check mommy. Check mommy, let's share with me. Okay, what's I can read. What's say Superior Court of New Jersey Law Division, Essex County. And now, read the address in the Hun Yamemobo. Anas Arimiyaw Anas plaintiff versus Kennedy Ohini Agyapong and Frederick Asamoah defendants. Pacho Muntie. Was a civil action order granted. Me pacho ti was day order granted. Court who now make appeal for BBA and ye granted. If you don't request for anything, nobody will grant it to you. People are saying, Honorable Agyapong team never appealed for anything, and that there was no fine of 18 million. I don't get it. Me na making kanyo. Me making kan me and Johnny making kan. I think it's central for a kinkan accountant. Accountant the mo makola calculator na mo use na mo ayi, but say we accountant na akwa say ye bobo na strikers in the prana defender ti baby be strike. O ma ball no so boom. My boss were boom. Yentie. Was it this matter having been brought before the court upon application by Cornell Foley LLP and Breslin PA, attorneys for defendant Kennedy Ohini Agyapong. Muntio, was it this matter having been brought before the court by lawyers for Honorable Kennedy Agyapong? Matter ne say yes, he want 18 million and was 18 million ne so enti and then one defendant no about applicant say because was say esodo do diente so lawyer for na court document na body no was say for an order molding the jury award, and the court having considered the matter, the submissions of counsel and the arguments of counsel, if any, and for good cause showing, it is on this 12th day of May 2025 ordered that defendant's motion is hereby granted. Defendant's motion is hereby granted. Who was the defendant? Honorable Kennedy Agyapong was the defendant. Which motion was granted? The motion said yes, we want 18 million and was say eso etiente so. That was the motion that they filed. See, ordered that defendant's motion is hereby granted and ordered that the total jury award of $18 million. Court document the kutabino. Me into me will be accountants mo beye accountants mo pretend say mo ye essential for mutimi nya small training kakra. So wabbing unya small training kakra bia, you talk as a journalist, not as an accountant being used as a broadcaster. Ubetimi ayesa enye ding. Was say ordered that the trial jury award $18 million is hereby molded to $500. Ordered that a copy of this order shall be served upon all parties within 7 days of the date of this order. Honorable Jeffrey B. Beecham, JSC, and was it for the reason stated on the record. It's documenting and the can be on my phone so. It's the mechanic in a say, as someone no Honorable Agyapong D4. O D4 no, ye fine no 18 million. Was it 18 million so? Nimremu no lawyer for appeal. One more appeal ye no court no judge na giatum was 18 million no so do it won't try $500. Oh yeah, date we could jam baby say Honorable Agyapong di bim was him. Asem we had the case Honorable Agyapong di bim. In fact, minim defamation case we are see ya. Sika nipa krope court na granted that me who be that e to be to be kwase yan granted nipa kro no e bia 10 billion omo keka ye be wie ne say 500,000 ye keka eti say me kwape 10 billion Ghana cedis me see say ma me 10 billion na court no e say me dibim but 10 billion eso do etiema me 100 million na and 10,000 na have I lost the case? I didn't go to court say be a second me kope mani mo nyama de twetwe form na me se me mpene enti me court to restore my integrity and I have restored it because when the first market ukato me so no when to me have evidence ama wo no ba be trofo and people I just don't get it. Probably this may be the last time I'm talking about this. In fact, lawyer Amodate, a spokesperson for Honorable Kennedy Agyapong.